Hello, we're back. Finally on segment 4 of the Tunisian Square crochet in simple stitch. And this is going to be the first triangle which will form that square. When we're finished, we'll have 4 of these in total. So as I mentioned, we're going to conclude this triangle by doing the last 3 stitches. So if you notice, there's only these 3 stitches in the middle and the loops on the end of each end, right here and here, here and here. And we still have the bar that holds those center 3 stitches, that horizontal bar. See? So we have the horizontal bar holding the 3 stitches in the middle, and its chain here and the chain here. All right. Put my crochet hook back on. And we are going to insert our hook into the horizontal bar from front to back, yarn over and pull up a loop, and then go into the last chain space and yarn over and pull up a loop. So we have these 3 stitches, and we will yarn over one last time, pull through all 3, and then just close this off with a chain. And you could snip this and pull the end through. Okay, so now we will turn the triangle upside down and go back to where our stitch marker is at the beginning, and find that space at the center right here. Okay, so now I'm going to attach another loop. Loop that into that space. All right, yarn over and pull through. That's attached. Now we're going to chain 7 loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. And as we did before, we're going to grab this chain and turn it to the back and insert your hook through that one back. Pull up a loop. That's 2. 3, 4, 5, and you count the first one that you had on your hook already. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now you will also need to go into that center space and pull up another loop. That's going to be your center stitch again. Then you start back this way. Go into the chain, yarn over, pull up a loop. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and your 7th one will be in that last chain. So difficult to get that in there, sorry. All right, and then you pull up your last loop. So we need 15 stitches again. We're at the very base of the next triangle. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 is the center. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? Now we are going to repeat what we did before. Pull, chain, yarn over, chain 1. Okay. Yarn over, pull through 2. 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 And yarn over, pull through 2. Now remember, we have this center stitch, one on each side, and then the 4th loop. We're going to yarn over and pull through 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we go again with the 2. Yarn over, pull through 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 2. And yarn over, pull through the last 2. And then we again find the vertical bars. Here we go. Yarn over, pull up a loop. 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 Now we found the center 3 with the horizontal bar. Insert your hook from front to back through that bar, pull up a loop. And then back down the other side of the center 3, find the vertical bar, yarn over, pull up a loop. That vertical bar, yarn over, pull up a loop. Yarn, vertical bar, yarn over, pull up a loop. Vertical bar, yarn over, pull up a loop. Vertical bar, yarn over, pull up a loop. And then your last go through the last with these 2 right here. To stabilize your end, pull up a loop. So let's see, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7 is the center. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Because we just decreased 1 stitch on either side. And continue like we did in the segment 1 video, showing how to continue on decreasing. And then when you've got to 3, you will do the same thing and attach your yarn after you finish this triangle. You're going to go back and insert your loop and hook through the center hole here and cast on 7, and then go back down, pull up a loop to the center stitch and on to the end, and you'll do that twice more. The last time you do it, the 4th time, you will be able to join to the last stitches here. I'll show you that when we get to that point, okay? All right. Happy crocheting.